My first question to you, sir. Very good afternoon to you. This survey that had come in, the survey order that had come in from Sambal, we have been interpreting the order that has come in from the Supreme Court today. But I would want to ask you this. Survey that has come in from, the survey order that had come in from the trial court, was it not hurried, especially the one for Sunday?
The order was correctly passed. It is within jurisdiction of the court. It was filed within parameters of Order 22/9 and 10. The order was passed on 19th November. That is a Tuesday, not on Sunday. The survey was ordered, and survey commission proceeding were taken up on 19th itself, and remaining was taken up on Sunday. This is the correct. And the survey order was passed correctly by the trial court. The trial court has power in any suit which is filed to issue survey to know the actual and factual position of the spot existing on that date. And for that purpose, only the survey was ordered and survey was conducted. There is no illegality in the said order. And even Supreme Court has not said, no court can say that court has no power. The report will be kept in sealed cover, and that is subject to the order which may be passed by the Honorable High Court in future. Order was G.
जी सो सर आपसे एक सवाल I would definitely want to ask you on this entire matter, which is, since you're a petitioner as well here from the Hindu side, what would you say is the purpose of this survey, sir? Because you know, if we already have a Places of Worship Act, and this is a question I'm taking to all my guests today across the panel. What is the purpose of this very survey? Because according to the Places of Worship Act, we cannot change the status of the very mosque that has already been established there. So if we start and wanted to open a Pandora's box at this given point, if we keep going on like this, putting in petitions for religious buildings which have already been established, then where does the Places of Worship Act stand? Because there are two politicians today who have come on this very show and said that Places of Worship Act is a forced act. What is your opinion on that, sir?
I was hearing Mr. Pramod Tiwari, and it is unfortunate that being a advocate itself and being a parliamentarian of a long standing, Mr. Pramod Tiwari has given a misinterpretation of law, which is per se illegal, and you have not read my suit. Have you read the suit? Madam, have you read?
Yes,
yes. Nobody has read. Even Mr. Pramod Tiwari has not read. You have not read. What the Place of Worship Act says, it is not at all applicable. The only prayer is that it is ASI protected monument, and ASI should take care. Kindly read the prayer. Where Place of Worship Act comes into picture? Can you ask the Muslim side if when it is a protected monument, how have taken possession of the whole mosque? I will put this question to Muslims. Section 3 and 4 of Ancient Monument Act, which also Parliamentary Act, lays down that any protected monument which has been declared a protected monument, the SI will take care. SI will manage, and SI will give way to the public to go inside the premises. And the only prayer is that SI should take proper care of the building, and general public, including the plaintiffs, they were allowed to enter into the premises in question. How Place of Worship Act comes into picture? It's a bankruptcy of brain. Nobody has heard, nobody has listened, and nobody has read what I have written. I request you to read my prayer.
Sir, with due respect, absolutely, I understand what your suit is, and yes, definitely, we have gone through your suit, but the reason I bring up this question is there is a political party today.
If you have gone through the suit, then how you are putting the question?
Sir, because that is the point.
How is the picture?
No, sir, that is the point. There is a political party today that has come out, or rather a member of a political party who has come out to say this in context of this very petition, that Places of Worship Act is a forced law, is a forced act.
We are not.
It's not you. It's not you. Absolutely not. The petition does not say that, and I'm absolutely not putting it on you. But I'm saying this is what is being said by a political party, using it as a context, using this case as a context.
Now can you hear the answer?
Definitely.
Places of Worship Act does not bar the filing of suit. The word is religious character. The Supreme Court has also observed the religious character can be determined. If I am able to prove the religious character of a Hindu temple, that act will not bar. The Muslim side, they read the act only from their perspective. The law is, and kindly read, the religious character as existing, that has to be maintained. If I am able to show the religious character of the building in question was of a Hindu temple, then suit is barred. Suppose a temple, a so-called mosque has been constructed on the plinth or after demolishing a Hindu temple. It can't be a mosque. How you can consider it to be a mosque? Mosque can be only a work property. They will have to prove it. And it is the court, it is the floor of the court which will decide. And what wrong we have done? We have filed the petition court, not on the streets. They are coming on the streets. Put a question to them. Why they pattarbaji? They so hoodlum. Why this Arjun and Akjani? Ask them. We are doing whatever we are doing. That is very well within our rights. And I am repeating, the Place of Worship Act is being misinterpreted. Under Place of Worship Act, there are the questions which need to be decided. In Kashi case, the High Court has held the Place of Worship Act is not applicable in this case. Again, that matter is pending Supreme Court. In Kashi, in Mathura case, Precision Bhumi case, the Honorable High Court has said the Place of Worship Act is not applicable, matter is pending Supreme Court. When two High Courts on two occasions have given the finding that the Place of Worship is not applicable, then why whether we are governed by these Muslims? They use the Place of Worship and we should keep quiet. It is our temple. It was our temple and it continued our temple. In Ajodhya case, Honorable Supreme Court has held that a temple was made. It will continue temple even if it is demolished or defiled. Para 116, you can see the Supreme Court judgment. If there is a temple, that will continue to a temple. And on a temple, you can't construct any mosque. Here, the threat is that you are opening Pandora box. You have demolished so many number of temples, so whether we should not claim that. We should keep lie. We should
Right.
keep mum. It is
Right.
Bangladesh or Pakistan. If we
Right,
cannot-
Mr. Jain, I'm extremely sorry, but I will have to end our conversation here. We have completely run out of time, but thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast and putting forward your points.